Hey there, this is a quick tutorial of how to use FlipGrid as an educator and then also what it will look like as a student when creating lessons in your classroom. FlipGrid has actually been renamed to just Flip now. It's a little bit more simple, but this is what the main page looks like. So you can sign up and you can enter a code to sign up. So if your teacher has a code, you can just enter it right here and get into the website. If I log in as a student, this is what my homepage looks like. Any group that I'm a part of will show up here. So this is the one that I did for my UDL repository example, and you can click on it, and when you do that, you'll be able to see the videos inside. Since this topic only has a response with me in it right now, I am here, but everybody can kind of see the number of videos, how much time has passed since discussion. So if a lot of students are working on the same discussion together, you can get actually hours of collaboration there. You can also see who the members are. Right now, I have my educator account linked and then also my student account linked here. And then you can do things like share the group and also get email notifications here. If anytime you want to unjoin the group, you would just click that button there. This button will take you directly to the camera, and then this will take you to your group. So if you're an educator, you will be able to create a new group. If you're a student, then you would be able to join different groups. So let me go back to my topic here. So this is for my example assignment about describing your classroom schedule. So here I have my schedule. I wanted to kind of blur out my background, so I put one of the unique post-it note backgrounds there, but there are many things you can do. You can add stickers, you can add text, and things like that. So if you do want to add a comment to your video, you can type out your text comment right here. Obviously, if I was commenting as a student, my comment would be much more involved than just hola with a smiley face, but just for the sake of showing how it works, I'm going to send in my comment. So you can do written comments here. Here you can also edit or delete your comment. It does also have this immersive reader feature. All right, here you'll see I'm on the exact same page. I just actually switched from my student to my educator account to show a little bit more in detail how that looks. But you can see here where you can click more details, obviously, if you're an educator, to kind of keep an eye on your students and see how everything is going. So in addition to being able to make written comments, you can also make video comments. So this is what it's going to look like. It pops up and there I am. And there are so many different options for recording a video here. So the teacher or the educator can actually set a time limit. Right now, the highest amount of time is 10 minutes. But if I was doing this with my students, I'd probably want to keep it between 1 or 2 minutes just to, have quick conversations amongst the students. So here it shows some options where you can upload a clip, use your microphone, mirror the video, mute it, record your screen. There's many things you can do there. Effects, you can also add text, stickers, photos, frames, and then a cool thing is you can also do backdrops. So if you don't want to see the room behind you, you can just kind of add a fun little backdrop in there. So those are basically the features of FlipGrid. It's pretty easy to use. It's now been renamed to Flip, but I definitely will be using this in my classroom this year. Especially in a foreign language classroom, it's really important to have students speaking to one another. And in the past, it's been hard to monitor that just because it's hard to listen to every student conversation and make sure they're speaking in the target language and using the kind of vocabulary that you want them to use. But now with this tool, you're actually able to see what they are saying to one another, how they are responding, and be able to give feedback through the site. So I'm really excited to be able to use this in the future. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you.